Pumpkins, isn't it great we decided to escape from our troubling minds and come in this garden? Well, I only came here for moral support. Otherwise, people will think you're insane. Yeah, Pumpkins, this was the reason why I decided to bring you here. Come on, Pumpkins, smell all these flowers. Ah, my favorite, daffodils. Terrance, don't mean to be a party pooper, but that doesn't look like daffodils. Oh, what the heck, Pumpkins? Why not? You know what the ranger said? That licking doorknobs is illegal on other planets. No! What the? No! He said that smelling some of these flowers could give you allergies. You're right, Pumpkins. That won't be an excuse to smell some of these delicious, nice-smelling flowers. Alright, now this kind of rotten. Oh no. Hey, Pumpkins, I found another one. Terrance, I wouldn't smell that if I were you. It's poisonous. Poisonous. I don't give a shit. I warned you. I'm fine. Attention all weirdos in flower fields. The flower field is closing time. Please exit immediately. Hello, Pumpkins. I guess you wasted your time telling me about some nonsense disease than enjoying yourself at the flower garden. How well, if you don't want to listen to me, that's your problem, not mine. Meanwhile, while going home... Chew! Terrance, I guess you're coming out with allergies. You're right, Pumpkins. Since I went, I get allergies. Last Tuesday, last Monday, last year, last second ago, last week. Yeah, that's only a simple cold. Yep, a simple cold. Is that being sarcastic? So, what it could be? Pumpkins, I swear, I am not catching allergy. Chew! Ouch! That's it, Terrance. We're going to the doctor. Oh no. Meanwhile, in the doctor's office. So, what happened to you? Well, I got farmer's flu, and that makes me sneeze so much I sneeze off my nose. Okay. Next patient, please. Alright, Pumpkins, let's go. Please sit down on the bench. Have a seat. Alright, son, open wide. Run, Doc! He's gonna sneeze! I got this, little kitten. Whatever this thing is, I can handle it. Chew! Whoa! Ow! Oh my god. I never seen a disease like this. I think I know what your friend has, but you're not gonna like it.